Thank you APExcel for sending me this beautiful product, a 20x60x telephoto lens kit for your smartphone. What comes into this box? This box contains our lens 20x60, a tripod, a eye cap, so you can also use it as a monocular, and then a phone connector which will allow you to connect to any iPhone or any kind of a smartphone with the lens, and then you're ready and good to go. So guys, let's do the unboxing and then we will talk later. You have seen the unboxing. Now I have connected the zoom lens with my phone and also with the adapter. I set it up a small object there. So let's see how does it perform inside the house. Definitely I will go in 1 or 2 days to outside to do some photography with this and to capture some nice beautiful picture. You can see I have connected the phone with the using the adapter to the lens. This is perfect, and this lens, you can look at it, it's beautifully connected to the iPhone. And with this iPhone, when I connect it, always keep in mind you have to connect your 1x, so that is the main camera of your iPhone, to the lens. That gives you the more control over the lens. So when I connect it, you can don't be panic because you see this little circle which is obvious, that is your viewfinder area of that, and you can just check how does it work. So this is your basically the focus ring and this is your zoom ring. So the focus, you can see I put a subject there, it's blurred and perfect in focus. Again, it's a manual focus, so you really need to work on it. And when you zoom in, definitely it's a manual focus, so the focus points will gone, so you need to refocus and readjust it. This is absolutely nice, guys.